If you're watching this thinking dropshipping is dead, too saturated, or only worked back in 2017, you're not alone, but the truth is dropshipping in 2026 is very real. It's just completely different from what most people are teaching, and in this video I'm going to break down exactly how to actually start dropshipping step by step, the realistic way, the profitable way, and the way that still works today. No hype, no fake gurus, just the blueprint you can actually follow. First, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. Dropshipping in 2026 is not about throwing random products on a Shopify store, running Facebook ads, and hoping for overnight success. That era is gone. Today dropshipping is about building a real brand, solving a real problem, and leveraging better tools, faster suppliers, and smarter marketing. Once you understand this, everything changes. The first step is picking the right business model within dropshipping, and this is where most beginners already fail. In 2026 there are three models that work: branded dropshipping, private supplier dropshipping, and hybrid print on demand. You do not want to do generic AliExpress dropshipping anymore. Shipping times are too slow, competition is too high, and customer expectations are much higher than before. For beginners, the best option is branded dropshipping using fast suppliers. This means you're still not holding inventory, but you're selling products that look like a brand, have good packaging, fast shipping, and customer support behind them. Think less, one product scam store, and more, small online brand. Now let's talk about product research, because this is the most important part of your entire business. If you get this right, everything else becomes easier, and if you get it wrong, ads won't save you, influencers won't save you, nothing will. In 2026, winning products usually fall into one of these categories: problem-solving products, convenience upgrades, passion niche products, and consumable or repeat buy products. The key is that the product must solve a clear problem or strongly improve someone's life in a visible way. When researching products, stop scrolling AliExpress randomly and instead use platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Search for phrases like, "TikTok made me buy this," "Amazon finds," or "must-have gadgets." Your goal is to find products that are already getting organic attention but are not yet dominated by huge brands. Once you see a product consistently going viral across multiple accounts, that's a signal, but do not stop there. Click the comments. Are people asking where to buy, how much it costs, or does it work? Comments show real buying intent. Also search the product on Google and Amazon. If it's already sold by Nike, Apple, or massive brands, skip it. You want opportunity, not saturation. Next, you must validate the product before building anything. Validation in 2026 means checking three things: demand, margins, and logistics. Demand means people are already talking about it. Margins means you can sell it at least 3 times the cost including shipping, and logistics means you can ship within 5 to 10 days maximum to the US. This brings us to suppliers, which is another major difference in 2026. You should not rely only on AliExpress. Instead, use platforms like CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, Spocket, or even US-based private suppliers. These platforms offer faster shipping, better product quality, and branding options like custom packaging. Once you find a supplier, order the product yourself. This step is not optional. You need to test the quality, shipping speed, and experience, because your brand reputation depends on it. While waiting for the product, you can move on to building your store. Now, let's talk about your store, because this is where most people still build ugly, in trustworthy websites. Your store in 2026 must look clean, simple, and brand-focused, not salesy and spammy. Use Shopify. It's still the best platform. Choose a premium-looking theme, minimal colors, and a brand name that sounds real, not something like Best Gadgets 247. Your homepage should clearly answer 3 questions within 5 seconds. What are you selling? Who is it for? And why should I trust you? Include high-quality product images, short benefit-driven descriptions, reviews, and trust badges, but don't overdo it. Your product page is where conversions happen. Instead of listing features, focus on benefits. How does this product make life easier, better, faster, or more enjoyable? Use simple language, short paragraphs, bullet points, and lifestyle images that show the product being used. Add real reviews whenever possible, either from your supplier, Amazon-style reviews with adjustments, or early testers. Social proof is huge in 2026. People are skeptical and want reassurance. Next is pricing. Stop racing to the bottom. Cheap pricing kills your brand. Instead, price based on perceived value, not cost. If your product solves a serious problem, people will pay for it. Make sure your price allows room for ads, refunds, and profit. Now let's move into marketing, which is where most beginners feel overwhelmed. The good news is in 2026 you don't need to rely only on paid ads. Organic content is one of the biggest advantages today, especially short-form video. Before running ads, you should start posting organic content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Create simple videos showing the product in action, problem versus solution, before and after, or user-style reviews. You don't need fancy editing, authenticity wins. Post at least 1 to 2 videos daily for 2 weeks. This will help you test demand without spending money. If videos start getting views, likes, comments, and profile visits, that's a strong signal to scale. Once you're ready for paid ads, start simple. Use TikTok ads or Meta ads. TikTok is especially powerful for dropshipping in 2026 because of its discovery algorithm. Start with low budgets, test multiple creatives, and let the algorithm find buyers. Your ads should not look like ads. They should look like normal videos someone scrolled past and stopped on. Focus on the hook in the first 2 seconds. Show the problem immediately, then the solution, then a clear call to action. Do not overcomplicate targeting. Broad targeting performs better now. The algorithm is smart. Your job is to give it good creative, not overthink interests. Now let's talk fulfillment and customer experience, because this is what separates real businesses from quick cash grabs. Once orders start coming in, you must keep customers informed, send tracking numbers, shipping updates, and follow-up emails. Good communication reduces refunds and chargebacks massively. Create a simple email flow: order confirmation, shipping update, delivery confirmation, and review request. Tools like Klaviyo or Shopify email make this easy. Customer trust is everything. Also, set up a clear refund and return policy. Even if refunds hurt short-term, it builds long-term credibility, and payment processors trust stores that handle disputes professionally. As your store grows, the next step is branding. Add custom packaging, brand inserts, and eventually move to a private supplier or even bulk ordering. This increases margins and creates repeat customers. Retargeting is also huge in 2026. Most people won't buy on the first visit. Use retargeting ads to bring back website visitors, video viewers, and abandoned carts. This is where profitability really increases. Now let's talk mindset, because this part is never taught properly. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the fastest ways to learn online business, marketing, branding, and e-commerce. Most people fail because they quit too early, not because the model doesn't work. Expect your first store to fail or break even. That's normal. Every attempt teaches you something valuable. Product research, ads, customer psychology, pricing, all of it improves with experience. In 2026, the winners are not the people with the most money, but the people who test faster, learn faster, and adapt faster. Consistency beats talent every time. If you treat dropshipping like a real business, reinvest profits, focus on customer experience, and build a brand instead of chasing trends, this model can absolutely change your financial future. So to recap in simple terms, choose branded dropshipping, find a real problem-solving product, validate demand and logistics, use fast suppliers, build a clean Shopify store, leverage organic content, scale with paid ads, prioritize customer experience, and think long-term brand. That's how you actually start dropshipping in 2026. If you found value in this video, drop a like, subscribe to Stock Predictor, and comment 2026. If you're serious about starting, I'll see you in the next one.